Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all to this session on case studies that are used during the interview process. We will look at how and why case studies are used and how one may prepare for case studies. Now, here we have summaries of some examples of case studies. What we have case studies that are used during interviews. This is a summary of a case study that asks for factors to consider for increase in profitability of business. So this is one summary of a case study. Now, from information technology specific case studies, one can expect many case studies. This is one example of a summary. It asks for designing a very large application software system from very unclearly specified statements. So this is an example of an information technology related case study. Now, why and how a case studies are used during interviews. What the interview panel wants to know is that they want to observe the candidate as a potential employee at work. So they are going to observe and assess some or more of all these factors. So that's the relevance of case study and that's the context of case study. For an entry level or fresher case studies, we have understand the business needs, analyze through a teamwork process, analyze the business needs, and come up with alternatives and recommendations which are justifiable. When looking at a case study, one may look out for phrases, key phrases which will convey business needs. They are like diamonds. Those are key phrases actually which will convey the business needs. So one should watch out for those phrases. During the presentation to the interview panel, one may use these guidelines. One, problem description, these are also called challenges. Use diagrams liberally, and solution and recommendations and alternatives also should be given using diagrams as much as possible. And some or more of these aspects, cost, benefits, and impact, especially these aspects should be given where possible with quantification with money, dollar quantified amounts as much as possible. Some or more of these aspects. Now, there are certain helpers that one can use during the case study process. Visualization of case study using diagrams. That's because a picture is always worth 1,000 words. Now, every aspect can be broken up into two parts. One is what is being done, and the next aspect is how is it being done. So one can separate these two when analyzing case studies and portions of case studies. Now, where possible in information technology related case studies, one may use an entity relationship model. Here, customer has 0 or more orders, and one order can be had by one customer. So this is a entity relationship model which may be used during information technology design. One can go through previous case studies and also practice in teams. One should also remember that a picture is worth 1,000 words. So use as many diagrams as possible liberally. One can also go through more videos. This is this video, and this is video 007 on tell about yourself and 008 on interview preparation and process. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.